In this video, I will show you how to use Qikink with Shopify. So to get started, just go to qikink.com and click sign up. So Qikink is a print-on-demand dropshipping app that you can use with Shopify, but to sign up, just enter these details right here. Then here, just verify your phone number and email address, and then you can actually get started with Qikink. Now from here, you can click on integrations and then Shopify. Then here, click Get Shopify App. Now, if you don't have a Shopify store yet, then you can go to sign up through the link in the description to get this deal right here, where you get Shopify for free for 3 days and then 3 months of Shopify for €1 per month, or the equivalent in your currency. So from there, then just click on the click here button, and then it should take you to the app. And if you have a tab open where you're already signed into Shopify, it will sign you in automatically, and you can just click install and then click on install again. So now I've connected it to my Shopify store, and now here you can get started by just signing into your account. So click login right there, and then here enter your username, which should be your email address, and click submit, and then enter a verification code that has been sent to your email address. So after doing that, you can now actually get started with using Qikink on your Shopify store. So you can see you can now push products from the Qikink panel to your store, and all orders will be automatically synced. So just go to Qikink and go to the products and just select a product by clicking on add product. Then here just find the product that you want to sell, for example a polo half sleeve. Then here you can choose plain or not. You can choose the kind of printing you want, or for example embroidery. Then select the colors you want to add to your store and the sizes you want to add. And then here click add design to add a new embroidery design. And then after you're done, just click save product. Then it will save the product. And now if you go to the product section and click my products, it will then show up right here. Now it's still processing, so right here you can see it. Now to actually import it to your store, just click push to my store. Then just select all the variations you want. So I'll select all of them and pick your selling price. Now at the top right here, you can also just set your price for all variants, and then click continue. Then enter a title and description and any tags and stuff like that, and then just click push product to store. So now it's going to be added onto your Shopify store. So now it has been pushed to my store. So now if I head over to Shopify and head into my products, it should show up right here and you can actually see it. So if I click preview, you will now see the product, and if you did upload a logo or some kind of design, then it will also show up right here. And you can see it has added the colors that I selected and the sizes. So now people can just buy it, and then Qikink will take care of the orders. So you can go to orders here and then see all your orders, or you can create one manually if you want. And then here you need to set up your country and state, and then click save changes. But basically from here, they will then print it for you, although you will need to have money in your account. So you can click add money and then just choose how much you want to add, and then click add payment, and then you can just deposit the money into Qikink. So now you know how to use Qikink with Shopify. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And again, if you would like to get started with Shopify for free for 3 days and then 3 months for only $1 or pound or euro per month, then you can go and sign up through the link down in the description. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.